All right, we had something in the backyard. Something in the works. Ooh! Another E36.
We gotta keep one on you. You gotta keep a spare strapped to a tree.
Yeah, this one's been strapped to a tree for a while. Picked it up for like, I don't know, like what, $100? Obviously it's well priced for $100, but.
Get the quarter panels and all roughed out if you know E36s.
Yeah, so we just bought it because it's pretty rust free. Pockets and all for the subframe weren't all rusted out. I mean, it's a clean car. There's not really that much rust, but we literally have nothing. That's the only downside. And I don't know about the floor pans, how they're gonna look.
I already checked it out.
But I mean, underneath they look good, so I don't see too big of a problem there. But our buddy Bill is gonna start building this one. All right, we're back. Battery died. Battery did die. But it's gonna get a LS, possibly turbo. But it's gonna be another drag car most likely. Turbo 400. But it's not bad. Strut towers are getting there from sitting outside, but
yeah, but still better than any.
Still better than
most of the shit.
Nowadays, everybody knows these things are the new fucking 240s. So a junk ass E36 people want to sell for like $3-4 grand now, which is crazy. So we had this. Yeah, and the car is rusted. So this one just has rust that started because it's been sitting outside, but it's not bad. Not bad.
No biggie.
No biggie at all. I like it.
Gonna paint it up.
Yeah, we're gonna paint it and see where we go from there. We're not really too sure where we're gonna go. If we're gonna, I mean, he wants to make it a street car, so
we're gonna start out with just all motor cammed LS with a turbo 400. Just see how she goes. I think it's been pretty fast. I mean,
yeah.
What do these weigh? What did yours weigh with the?
My LS car weighed 2,700. So.
That's what you in.
Not bad, yeah. So it should be the same. Should be 2,700. Yeah, it's super light.
And do these? You can. We're gonna do the reinforcement plates and everything for the subframe.
Yeah, you gotta.
Before we talk about it.
Yes.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're excited. Strip it down to nothing, same as yours. This is basically what yours looked like.
Yeah, mine was just.
We need a video.
Yeah. Yeah, mine was pretty much like this.
Like looking at it?
I did it like steps, so I took the front subframe down, reinforced it, painted it, all that shit, and then same thing, put the rear out, reinforced it, painted it, put it back in.
Yeah, so this is literally, it looks like just a pile of scrap.
Yeah. I mean, we got to find panels, door panels, fenders, all that other stuff. But if you come into the shop, we got my pull-out from the car, or my JZ car, because I'm not running any of the stuff that was in there. I had a new subframe, new bushings, new diff, M3 trailing arms. So I had gotta get M3. I had M3 axles in there. It's got a 391 diff that's welded. So I don't have any of the stuff that was in the car when I got it. So first things first, we got wheels for it, some contours. You go in here, we got front knuckles right here.
Hell yeah, check this thing out. Hold on.
So we got front knuckles. And then if you go over here, we got the whole rear end. So
this one?
Yeah. Dude.
Yeah, only got one on her. We didn't pick up the whole load.
Yeah,
and
the
that's
control arms are in the garage.
That's for the Beamer too, right? That's for the E36?
E36 LS, buddy.
6.0?
6.0.
You hype, Billy?
LP4, boy.
How much?
No DOD. 800 bones.
$800? That is a
Still
deal.
stamped that Ricky's car is going to be faster.
Really?
Yeah.
You really think this is a build-off right now?
Yes, it is a
Is it all
build-off.
motor?
No.
Are you gonna keep it all? You're gonna keep it all motor?
One adder.
He's.
One power adder.
I'm saying, Billy.
All motor for now.
It's gonna be motor, right? Yeah. I got it.
You got it? From
My-
a dig.
My car should make like almost 600.
Automatic.
I will put a 28-inch tall tire on it.
We ain't about that. First of all.
I would definitely.
no lift shift.
Dude, I'll buy a 15-inch just
Let
to.
me get in on this race.
He's getting top end video from his back seat facing backwards. Because, first of all, this 6 liter's coming around you. Listen, you see it on a trailer right there? Wave at it. The last time you're gonna be behind it.
Yeah, alright. Alright, you got people behind you. Alright. Nope, learning. How not to strap down a motor.
Strap an engine to a trailer
To pull it.
and then
Just come along it. Yeah, yeah.
come here.
Easy does it, eh? Here, what's this? Let's do an unboxing here. We got dildos.
These are my pills for my transition.
It's a transmission effort.
It's already working pretty good. Look.
Nice. Hold on. Coffee filter. Here, check it out. Look. 08 model. Update. Reusable.
Washable?
Reusable as
But
well.
is it rewashable?
Dude, I didn't read the instructions. It's a coffee filter.
That was a good unboxing. Dude, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Get that number up back.
6.0. Long. Like Dino.
I just slipped on it.
Dino's got that long john. You push the blazer in?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, we're getting there. It's the old come along. Pioneers used to ride
Use
these
it for
babies
years. Oh. There you go.
Daggum.
Daggum. Daggum. Gone.
Daggum. I didn't know you were recording. Daggum. Seabiscuit, come on. Get in there.
You hyped for this?
Yo. Nah, he's not even excited.
Nah, not even.
Really?
I didn't buy it for him. It's good to see you.
I'm not surprised. Sounds like Billy.
Oh, nanny.
Nah, that's fine.
You said, ah, that's a good start.
This thing's gonna pop off. Mom's gonna do me a new tooth.
You didn't know this mom is dentist, so you got him.
You fixed the front row last week.
She ain't doing me no good. My gap's still strong. Yo, zoom in on the gap.
Better gap.
Yeah, that's what Billy's gonna get. Billy's gonna get my gap. Yeah, now you daggone done it.
Fucking filters, useless.
Dude, you could probably sling it under now. Go right on the roughage. Maybe we should probably get off of it.
Maybe jump on it. Give it some more weight. You got coffee? I'm tired.
I mean, you can back the trailer up a little
Oh,
more.
these got the good plug wires too.
What do you mean used to? What fucking box body in here you about to have it?
That's what I'm saying. These are low ohms. Look at that. It says it right on them.
Low ohms.
They got the lowest ohmage. 50 ohms
right
per
in it.
foot.
Right in the wheel.
See what happened? You had a little battery acid drip? The block's actually not that bad.
You what?
The block's not that rusty.
I said the block's clean. I'm impressed.
You remember how rusty mine was?
Yours came out of the Atlantic.
Dude, yeah, mine was so bad.
Really?
Oh my god.
It was nasty.
Dude, these bolts zip right out.
Yeah, they're already out.
How are they?
They're broken clean off.
All of them?
Most of them.
This one
This is out of a van.
Yeah?
Nice old 2500 Express.
How many miles?
Fuck 80 on her.
Fucking plow truck, hopefully.
Yeah. No. No more plow truck motors. We blew them up. Give me this thing. Come on, man. Beep. Don't talk about it. Beep about it.
Nice ground strap.
Hold on, cool. Hold on.
Oh,
I'm getting there. You All right.
I'm holding her.
That's it.
Ew,
Where's
crank
your-
her up. We never had it.
We have nothing. Who the fuck?
Yeah, look at this guy.
I had to come grab my glove.
Brought the hat with it.
Yeah.
That's what we use.
Don't get this.
Get it.
Get this in the
Dude,
shot.
get this map sensor. Look at that. It looks good.
That thing's reusable.
Yeah, nice, good. Just get a seal on that.
That's like the coffee filter.
Yeah, that was a good unboxing.
You think the seatbelt's gonna hold it?
We're going to fin. Hey, you worked on it before, right? This is what you took it out with?
I don't even know.
Just gonna back up a little bit.
What is that?
Yeah, I think it's an engine.
Yeah.
What tarnation is
That's
that,
LS
Dino?
right there, buddy.
What do they call these nowadays?
Hell yeah, bro.
The back of that's picking up.
Really, hang on it. Yo, Ryan, get on there. Ride it like a cowboy.
Do not come in like a wrecking ball. Let's see.
You want me to just jump on it?
Look.
Oh, now it's good.
OSHA approved, right? Look at this thing flexing. Look. Alright, we could probably swing her
Yo,
Where are we putting it?
on the ground.
don't you want to use chains instead of a seatbelt?
Huh?
Didn't you want to move the blazer first?
Yeah, square it up.
Dude, look at.
What? Oh. We're gonna pick it up and drive this thing out, cruise on out of here.
Lower her down.
Yeah, we just gotta get her up a little bit more. A little bit more.
Yeah, look at that, more lever.
I'm working on the railroad. I feel like a real fucking jabroni.
You're mongoloid.
Alright. I'm gonna cruise away with her.
Yeah, the wheel on that is still up.
Dude, right, hop on.
Get on that motherfucker.
Some weight.
Come
Like, headshot.
I stepped your hand on.
I got my hat on.
Got him.
Dude, look at that button crushed your scalp. Peel out. This ain't ending well for us. Alright, keep going, inch. Keep going, keep going. Oh! Alright, keep going. Alright, you're good, you're good. Alright. Wait, get back over here. Don't back it. We're gonna have to pull this back, boys. Oh no, lower. Start lower. Oh, grab those vice grips, remember? We had them by my car.
Which ones?
Alright, let me go grab them. Stay there. I got it. Scram.
Trusting that seatbelt.
Get in an accident, you trust it?
Hmm?
Get in an accident, you trust it? Let's say your grandma back in '82, you said you slick. 800 bone. This thing is primo right here. It's going right in that blazer, just so you know. Not this exact one, but some bitch just like it.
$800.
$800, dude.
Oh,
Look.
here.
Custom fan.
That's a good deal.
$800. I told him, I said it was on for an hour and a half. He's like, I didn't even think I listed it for a couple of minutes, and you were already hitting my line.
Where's that going? BMW?
Huh?
Where's it going?
Yeah, E36.
Really?
All right, swing her in here.
Alright, I gotta go to the...
Yo!
I'll be back later.
We'll probably be here, but we'll probably not work. We'll probably not be here. Well, you are.
Ready? Grab it.
Yeah, get up in this hump.
Take a side and ride.
Hold on.
Oh! We got Freon in this?
It's cooling. Freon.
No, I thought I heard a psst.
Just cut the line.
No, keep it going. Keep it rolling.
Okay.
Ew, easy on it.
Ew, this right here? Clutch fan.
Thanks.
That's all we need off of her.
Right here is all we got it for. This purple wire is hard to come by.
It's a good starter signal.
Jesus Christ, that sucked. All right, get the tire.
Yeah, look at this. What? You running his intakes, Billy?
Fuck no. eBay.
That's a good throttle body.
Look at that, nice lubed up.
Get a nice lube job. Damn, they dinged us up for the.
Tore up my concrete.
Gave you a microfiber too?
Yeah.
It's a deal.
Free of charge, he said.
Nice
This
guy.
pulley is seized. Is this what happened? The belt flew off and they scrapped it?
Yeah, you know what? Get rid of this fucking. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Why are you going up? Oh, you gotta go up.
Yeah. Why?
Come on, be careful. That thing will fling off.
Shit is
Shoot all
tire.
over
What do you
you.
mean? Tire comes out.
Jam it under it.
He's like, yeah, how do I get this tire out?
Philly, you're gonna work on this car?
Here, Paul.
You never dealt with a junkyard piece of shit.
And dinged up.
Now wheel it back into the side. Drop it down over here. Tire. Swallow. Alright. Do you know how many shit engines this crane has moved?
I just gave you guys the
Here.
wrench. Where'd the wrench go?
Here and work.
Just gave
Vice
it to you.
grip.
Oh, it's right there on the floor. I actually just threw it on the floor.
Stop throwing shit on the floor. We need to put things back in the toolbox. Step one.
Oh, that is not a good tactic. Don't twist like that. There you go. More or less.
Crate going to use the
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah, this
Come
your
on, man.
first rodeo? Pull up.
Throwing it.
Alright, drop her low.
No, pull her up.
It's fine. Just leave it like that and leave it hang. I guess this thing leaks, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Let's wedge something in the front of her.
Dude, get this car right there.
Yo, get out of my car.
Yo, get this little this P battery.
Real battery.
Look, yo, long
Yo, jack him up.
right on that pulley.
Back him up.
You're not running power steering, right?
Not no more.
Nope. Ain't no more. It's gonna do something weird.
Shit, perfect. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Yo,
Don't touch her.
that ain't going nowhere. Done deal, Billy. Get the stripping.
What's taking off of her? Nothing really, just the intake, right? All it wants is a piston.
See? That's all I need.
What? I would just take the rear main. Good, it's not leaking.
I just got for the gaskets. Where's my thing? I threw my thing.
Yeah, you did. Is that my shirt?
Baby.
Is it my pants?
Yo,
Is it my shoes?
you have to check the fit. First of all,
Damn, brother!
loaner, come on.
Is that a lease?
How do you think I'm paying for this shit?
We got the Ricky Clothes lease program.
You think fucking gas money's free?
Nah, Ricky Clothes are apparently.
I had to buy the Prius.
You didn't.
Yeah. I cop it up. Look. Check me out. Red. Got the black wheels on her.
Why'd your mom drop it off?
Took the van back.
Your mom loves driving.
Took my tow rig. One of 6 tow rigs on the property.
You see my bumper?
Yeah, it looks good. Is it mounted? Like mounted or like zip tie mechanic?
Just zip tie the sides and we're good.
You've been listening to this guy a little too much.
No, I mean, how else are we gonna do it unless we get pulled to weld those boards on?
Well, I don't know.
Nah.